Hey guys, let's talk about one of the most important section of the Act, Section 180 of the Companies Act. This section is widely used among much corporates and amongst it frequently checked and frequently limits get revised. So this is the most important section of the Act, and also this is important for everyone who is giving exam of companies law, whether in CA, CS or CMA. This section holds much importance and it talks about the borrowing power of a company. What does it says? Let's check it out. So about the borrowing powers, this section states that a special resolution is required when एक लिमिट सेट कर दी है इस सेक्शन ने कंपनी के लिए कि अगर इस लिमिट से ज्यादा कंपनी वांट्स टू बोरो मनी then it had to take special resolution. This is about this section. Now if a company wants to borrow money plus money already borrowed apart from temporary loans. What are temporary loans? We'll see later. But अगर किसी भी कंपनी की टोटल बोरोइंग इस अमाउंट से ज्यादा एक्सीड होगी तो दैट कंपनी विल रिक्वायर स्पेशल रेजोल्यूशन. दैट इज व्हाट सेक्शन 180 says. नाउ हाउ विल यू कैलकुलेट कि किस लिमिट से ज्यादा एक्सीड होने पर हमें स्पेशल रेजोल्यूशन चाहिए? You will add number 1 the paid up share capital of the company, number 2 free reserves of the company, number 3 securities premium of the company. You will add these three. ये जो भी एग्रीगेट बनकर आएगा उस अमाउंट से ज्यादा if a company wants to borrow money then it is required a special resolution. Okay, this is simply the section state. Now the line says if money to be borrowed together with money already borrowed apart from temporary loans, that is जो टोटल बोरोइंग किसी कंपनी की देखनी है उसमें से टेम्पररी लोन है अगर किसी कंपनी का तो दैट इज एक्सक्लूडेड, right? If 60 crores is borrowed from banks and 20 crores is borrowed as a temporary loan from any bank, then that 20 crores is not will not be considered as a borrowing. But what is this temporary loans? So temporary loans is also defined in section 180. Temporary loans are loans which are repayable on demand or within 6 months from the date of the loans. ऐसे loans जो on demand मतलब जब मांगा बैंक ने तब वापस होने हैं या within 6 months से ज्यादा वो exceed नहीं हो सकते, 6 months में repay करना है, ऐसे temporary loans को borrowings नहीं मानेंगे and वो जो हमारी लिमिट है उससे exceed हो सकते हैं. Okay, so that was about temporary loan. But इस लोन में क्या कवर्ड नहीं है? Loans raised for the purpose of financial expenditure of capital nature. ऐसे बहुत सारे loans होते हैं जो they are raised for financial expenditure, but these kind of loans will not be considered as temporary loans. Temporary loans को जैसे overdraft हो गया, आपने कोई सीसी लिमिट ले ली for 6 months, that is temporary loans. Okay, so ऐसे loans को borrowing power में नहीं include करेंगे, right? Now there is an exemption to banking companies for section 180 of the act. अब वी ऑल नो कि बैंकिंग कंपनीज तो बहुत सारे लोन्स बहुत सारे डिपॉजिट्स लेती हैं लोगों से, लोग बैंक में पैसे इकट्ठे करते हैं, लोग ओवरड्राफ्ट लेते हैं, तो वो भी क्या लोन हो गया? नहीं. So acceptance by a banking company in ordinary course of its business of deposits of money from public, repayable on demand, shall not be deemed to be borrowing of monies by a banking company. But obvious logically भी सोचे so उसको बैंकिंग कंपनीज के लिए तो बिजनेस ही है ना ये, सो उसको लोन नहीं मान सकते. So this is a genuine I should say exemption, and which is also very important to take note of. I hope you could understand the basic of section 180. There's much more in the section, but regarding borrowings, this is in depth and very important to know and understand. Thank you.